stepn generally is a low-position digital money presently valued at $90.40 that has a place with the class of minimal coins, with a market capitalization of $543,557,708 in a sort of large manner. Over the essentially past in every way that really matters, scarcely any years, cryptographic forms of money, including stepn, laid out a sort serious areas of strength for of in the worldwide monetary world, and in every practical sense, are currently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, items, and unfamiliar monetary forms forks. A few institutional financial backers, even for the most part, consider crypto as a productive supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. Retail financial backers and merchants basically are somewhat keen on digital currencies, for example GMT, since this generally is seemingly the most open monetary market where various resources especially have the truly potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a moderately brief time frame in a significant way. These profits truly are out of reach in commonly different business sectors, which explicitly is the motivation behind why most by and large moderate financial backers truly are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with cryptographic forms of money like stepn, while the groundbreaking ones give a critical piece of their cash flow to this quickly creating resource class in a sort of significant manner. At this extremely specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carry the cost of stepn to the level at $90.40 where it right now certainly sits. As currently referenced, GMT generally is a low-positioned cryptographic money since it as of now possesses the 78th spot in worldwide digital currency rankings, the essentially metric that's still up in the air by duplicating the very current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource in an unpretentious manner. On account of stepn, the market capitalization certainly remains at $543,557,708. The significance of this boundary will for the most part be truly made sense of later in a by and large significant manner. Our cost expectation calculation is planned so that it persistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the advanced resource being referred to, especially furnish our endorsers with the most reliable data on the kind of present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to sufficiently explicitly evaluate the condition of their portfolio and in every practical sense choose whether or not it generally needs to basically be reconfigured. Our calculation likewise really focuses on verifiable information, which fundamentally is by and large key for the in every practical sense right assessment of both essentially current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its for the most part present and future course in an especially significant manner. Underneath you will for the most part find commonly key selections of this verifiable information, so you also could essentially have a comprehension of where the stepn market explicitly is going, or so they sort of thought. Yesterday on Walk 23, GMT certainly was esteemed at $10.8045 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings, especially recollect that digital currencies especially are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. in a kind of significant manner. The cost change rate-wise over the said period for the most part added up to 31% in a truly significant manner. 7 days prior on Walk 17, stepn especially was exchanged at $68.39 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that near its really present position. On February 24, which truly was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged GMT at $64.13, the cost level that for the most part is at the distance of 11.33% from where it presently truly stands. The cost of GMT and the readings of CVIX certainly are by all accounts not the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost forecasts, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Market capitalization is another significant truly metric that most certainly assists traders with basically deciding the fame of the digital money being referred to as well as its future possibilities, which by and large is very critical. It's likewise used to basically survey the offer that stepn explicitly holds inside the kind of whole digital money market. The recipe for the computation of market capitalization in every way that really matters is somewhat straightforward. The flowing stockpile of the cash being referred to by and large is duplicated by its especially current cost in an unobtrusive manner. As of the hour of composing, the market capitalization of GMT sort of stands at $543,557,708, enough to name it the 78th, actually the biggest coin on the cryptographic money market, So our cost expectation calculation generally is planned so that it constantly screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the advanced resource being referred to in every practical sense, furnish our supporters with the most dependable data on the present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to sufficiently by and large evaluate the condition of their portfolio and for the most part conclude whether it should be reconfigured. Yesterday, on Walk 23, the market capitalization of stepn explicitly remained at $525,041,930, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. 7 days. Prior on Walk 17, the capitalization of GMT truly was $564,838.71 in a sort of huge manner. A month prior, on February 24, how much capital streaming around this truly specific market commonly added up to $463,510,985, which is genuinely critical. Most digital currency financial backers stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a really certain cryptographic money and its capacity to sort of endure disturbances, which are the especially normal event on this exceptionally unpredictable market in an extremely huge manner. The truly complete stock of GMT presently generally remains at 5,394,322,511 coins, or so they explicitly thought. The coursing supply of the digital money under survey really is 1,845,817,944 GMT, which truly is genuinely huge. This stepn cost expectation wouldn't for the most part be genuinely finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the kind of measurement utilized by basically all digital money dealers to sort of affirm the strength of the pattern and the suitability of a market move, which explicitly is genuinely critical. For example, on the off chance that the breakout to the potential gain really is happening on the rear of the low exchanging volume, there sort of is a kind of high likelihood that this move generally is unreasonable and would basically bring about a bullish snare, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Hence, it's vital to fundamentally examine the precise past and the in. 23 GMT had an exchanging volume of $65s of 4,600, or so they certainly thought. 7 days prior on Walk 17, the sort of normal essentially everyday exchanging volume on that market fundamentally added up to $122s of 75,963 in an essentially significant manner.